Hello, this is Dr. Mark Haverkorn of River City Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery in San Antonio, Texas. This is a video walkthrough of our office decorated for Christmas. I filmed a video walkthrough of the office back when we first opened, but back then the walls were pretty barren and now we've got a lot more going on, including the logo on the door there that I like. So as you can see, we have a nice new office that's been decorated wonderfully. Sometimes people think that just because we have transparent low prices that there must be a catch or that we must have an old, outdated office, but that's not the case. We just want to take care of people.